Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Hey there, guys. Um, I'm listening to my Sansui G-2000 stereo receiver, made in Japan. Very nice receiver. This is a nice piece that I bought, and tonight I'm listening to the bar jazz masterpieces, and it sounds great. I'm really happy with the Sansui G-2000, and it's a nice, decent size of receiver. But the sound quality, guys, it's amazing. And this is about 300, 400 or more in eBay dollars, and you pay the shipping and handling, and it's still pricey, guys. When I bought this a couple years ago, I was just lucky. It's because I got this for a good price, even though it's more than 200 bucks, but still it's a good price. The story of this receiver, the seller was late shipping this receiver to me, and he gave me a discount. Okay, he gave me a $50 discount, and he refunded me $50 back. That is why I got this for 200 something dollars. But other sellers, guys, they sell this more than 300, 400. It depends on the condition, and that's how they make their money. Okay, you look at it, guys. I mean, the lighting here, it's very nice, very nice. You can see that color, the yellow and blue, or I would say kind of like a neon color, but I would define this color, I would say light yellow or something. But whatever, guys. But yeah, you see the logo here, the Sansui logo, and we have the VU meters. Okay, these are the what do you call this? The meters when you look for a radio station, and the one is looking for this the signal for the radio station, and the knobs, you can see they are not big enough. You can see, but the two knobs in the middle, they are the one that it's a nice decent size. Okay, very nice sounds. Let me describe the sound of the Sansui, okay? Because it's totally different sounds from Marantz, Pioneer, and other stereo receivers. The sound of this Sansui has his own original sounds that you can tell that it's for Sansui, okay? The bass is not like really loud, like a boombox sound. Marantz has those sounds like a very kind of like a heavy, or sounds like it's in the box, okay? But it sounds amazing, okay? Sansui has is just that I would say the average of the sound of the bass and the sound of the treble and the receiver alone. It has an original, has the, you can distinguish the sound of the Sansui, Um, definitely, the sound is different from Moran's Pioneer or Akai, Luxman or Lafayette. Uh, but it's a nice sounds. Okay, it has a beautiful sounds. As you can hear, so it has this Japanese Sansui signature when you listen to the track, to the music from this receiver. This is the thing what I like about Sansui, guys, is because it has this Japanese looks and the sounds, that the beauty of the Sansui is just there. Very nice piece. And just the looks of this Sansui is just amazing. Couple people asked me if I'm selling this Sansui. They saw it in YouTube in my videos, and they asked me if I'm selling this, and I said no. They want to buy this Sansui. It's because it's a nice piece and it's a nice receiver, and it has this Japanese looks. And I declined their offer. I don't want to, I know it's money and money is money, but it's just money, stuff like this, you might not get it for a good price like I did, and it might charge me more if I buy another one in eBay, and I will probably pay double. So this is a really good price. I pay for a good price, more than $200, and that is a really good deal. And it's a free shipping. Can you believe this, guys? Free shipping for this. I was just very lucky when I bought this piece, because some other sellers, they would charge you maybe more than $100 for shipping and handling. And not only that, because some of the sellers are not honest, they will sell you double the price. They will sell you a stereo, a receiver, a high price, and they will charge you for shipping like double. Okay, this thing is not that heavy like my Marantz right here. This is very heavy. They can charge me for $150 for shipping and handling for this, or it could be more, because what they do, they're gonna weigh this. Okay, and this is very heavy receiver. But this Sansui, it's not that heavy, so maybe I would say 60, 65, 75 max for shipping and handling. But they charge, some of the sellers, they charge more than 100. They want money. They want money. These sellers, they're slick. They want more money to get when they sell this, because they are vintage, and when it's vintage, they think that everything is expensive, from stereos to cars to motorbikes to television to computer, those old ones, to the mixers, you name it. So that is why they want to make money. And in eBay, they gonna pay eBay for the what do you call this, the charge that the eBay charge the sellers. Okay, so they want to get their share. Of course, it's a business, so that is why they charge more money in eBay, because they have to pay, the seller has to pay the eBay. So, and that is why I stopped buying in eBay, because they charge a lot in shipping and handling. But this is a very nice stereo receiver. There you go. That's what happened. That is why. Because this thing here, the mode, it's not pushed in, so that's why the sound is not level. So there it is, guys. Ooh, beautiful, 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 beautiful sounds. Oh, lovely. Sounds fantastic, guys. Definitely, guys, I'll recommend this Sansui G-2000. If you guys like it, you could get one of this, and it sounds amazing. And it's not that pricey like G-3000, G-7000. Those are really high price. It could cost more than $1,000, or it could cost a couple thousands of dollars. But the G-2000 is good enough just to listen to your music. Beautiful, beautiful, just to relax and listen to the sound of jazz. So there it is, guys. This is a Japanese made from Sansui stereo receiver model G-2000. And the other thing, guys, that is it's a good receiver. I don't know if you guys know Akai. If you heard about Akai, Akai it's a good receiver that's made in Japan. Model, I think the model 1140 or something, four digits. Okay, you can Google it and look for it, or go to eBay. And Akai, it has a beautiful sound, and it's bigger than this, taller than this, and longer, wider, and it's a nice piece. Yeah, my stereo receiver, guys, I have Akai, I have Pioneer, I have Harman Kardon, I have Sansui, I have Marantz, I have what else? I have JVC, I have Technics, I have Sony, I have Pioneer, I have Toshiba, I have Lafayette, I have Luxman, yeah, I have MCS, I have Kenwood, I have many receivers. The only one that I don't have yet is the Macintosh. I'm really looking to have one. I'm really looking in Facebook Market. I don't look in eBay, because I know eBay they charge more than $1,000. I look at eBay. I look at the Facebook Market. No, I don't look at eBay. I look at the Facebook Market. I look at OfferUp, and I saw one selling it for 800. But 800, guys, is kind of still a lot, and it's kind of gamble, because you never know what you can get from an old vintage, for many years, 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old. And things breaks, guys. One of the parts inside of that receiver will break, for a long period of time. And Macintosh, it's expensive. It's a luxury. It's a high-end stereo receiver, and that will definitely cost you money when you fix it. So that is why I'm a little scared, or I'm a little optimistic about Macintosh, because when it breaks, be ready for it, because there are like Mercedes-Benz. So I'm good with so far so good right now. I mean, I have Sansui, I have Marantz, I have more stereo receiver here. I have Pioneer, more up here, Techniques, Marantz, JVC, Toshiba, Lafayette, Techniques. Okay, so I'm okay so far. So I'm okay for now. So maybe one day Macintosh. I know I want one. I know myself that I want one, but I'm waiting for that time to come that I would get that for a good price, because I'm the stereo collector, guys, that I like to have stereos, but I don't like to pay a lot of money. Okay, so I'll wait. I'll be patient, and I know one day I will get a Macintosh, like vintage Macintosh, you know. So we will see. You know, I will wait, and hopefully one day somebody will sell it for a good price. So, guys, yeah, this is last. This is the last minute of this video, and just listening and filming this stereo receiver. Amazing, amazing sound, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and hit the subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. And for now, I'll say bye bye.